Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are watching the video. This video very helpful to you. Please watch video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you get notification for new video. This video regarding teaching tips. Now let's start. How to teach noun in the class? Teach noun to kids in a fun and simple way. Start with a simple definition. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or things. All naming words are noun. इन हिंदी वी कॉल संख्या. संख्या उस शब्द को कहते हैं जो किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान, पशु या वस्तु का नाम बताता है. यूज़ easy example with pictures like person, Ram, Sita, teacher, and place name school, Delhi, park. Every naming words are called noun. Animals name dog, cow, cat. These are noun. Things ball, book, chair. And if you want your teaching become more interesting, use fun rhymes or sentence like poem on noun. Apple, book, and big balloon, stars that shine beside the moon. सेब, किताब और गुब्बारा, चांद के संग तारों का नजारा. One more. So remember kids, noun are cool, they help us speak and learn in school. बिना संख्या के सब अधूरा, सीखो संख्या बनो होशियार पूरा. You can use activity ideas, show flashcards of animals, people, places, and things, and ask to the children, is this a noun? Matching game. You can use matching game. Match noun with the picture. Circle the noun. Give short sentence and ask them to circle the noun. You can use classroom hunt. Ask kids to find noun around the classroom. Example fan, table, teachers. You can give practice sentences. Ram is a boy. In the sentence, Ram is noun. The cat is on the chair. Cat and chair is noun. The school is big. School is noun. Worksheet ideas use. Write 5 name of person, place, animal and things. And you can use also fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. So that noun topic is clear. Thank you for watching. If you want more video, please like and subscribe my